think he said take a left in the field. This kind of reminds me of being on some parts of the Superior hiking trail where like the weeds and wildflowers and stuff were just like really high. Ooh, milkweed. I know, guys. Lost Cove. That's cool. There's a little trail going up there too. Guessing we're following the yellow blaze. Nice. I tried jumping over that. That was cute. A little bit. Like, he didn't biff it, but it also wasn't like a very clean hop. Yeah, you're not a jumping horse, are you? But he sure does like to gallop. Oh, wow. God, there are some really cool mushrooms on this trail, though. Yeah. Man, so smart. We get to do the hard work of jumping over this thing, huh? So I think these are like a black trumpet mushroom. Not entirely sure. It's been a while because I've done some research on mycology and ish. Oh, that's a cool one. I forgot what that one is. Okay. I think I've seen at least like 4 different kinds of mushrooms. It's the first time I've seen those like black cap ones, or not black caps, sorry. What I think are black trumpets. Ooh, that is so heckin' pretty. God. I'm a sucker for rocky areas, even though sometimes my feet and ankles don't really like it. I almost wonder if those red ones were like a type of bolete mushroom. I should have brought that mushroom guide. I like had it in my hand, and that one with like wild edibles, but I ended up like not bringing it because I didn't want to pack too much for a like 6-mile hike. Yeah, I should have lived by it's better to have it and not need it and not have it. But I didn't.
That book weighs like 4 pounds.
It wasn't even the book. It was literally those like little laminate pamphlets that we got at Smoky Mountain National Park, I believe. One of the national parks. Or maybe it was Mammoth Cave, actually. Now I think about it, I think it was actually when we went to Mammoth Cave.
Trying to make fun of like all the ultralight hackers.
Yeah. Oh man. I don't blame them. Like, yeah, it's kind of a nice workout. Carrying that like extra weight, because it means you have to burn more calories and probably gain more muscle. But also like, it's so bad on your knees and back. I'm getting to that age where it's like, no, I actually care about my back now. I like sleep with my squishmallows wrong and I wake up in pain, feeling stiff. Kind of like you that one day. Nice. There's more of those guys. Dude, those are like a nice bright red. I like that. Part of me wants to say it's like an oyster mushroom. I'm not entirely sure. I just know it's like a type of shelf mushroom. It's kind of funny because, like, for somebody who had to do a research paper, and I did my research paper on mushrooms, you think I would know more. But it has been a while since I've like tried doing some studying on different mushroom identification. It's been a while. I've had some spurts. Part of me wants to say they could be a chanterelle, but I can't remember if chanterelles grow on the ground. Because I know chanterelles get confused with, like, I think they're called jack-o'-lantern mushrooms, which are like kind of deadly, or at least will get you really sick. But they grow during like different seasons. Oh, wow. Okay, let me see. Nice. I think that was like a red cedar or something. Yeah.
Yeah. I always jumped over it.
Did the dogs jump over it, or did they find a way to crawl under?
They crawled under.
That's what I thought. I saw Maple looking at that, and she was like, I kind of want to jump over it, but no thank you. They'll take the easy way out. Nice. This is pretty though. It is such a nice day. Yeah. Who's a good girl? She tough. Nice. They're like those kind of like puffball ones where they like eject their spores. They're little chimney mushrooms. Except usually those types of mushrooms, oh shit, sorry. Okay. There we go. Sorry about that. But yeah, usually those kinds of mushrooms, when I see them, they're like just straight little poof balls on the ground. I haven't seen them that like actually has those little stems. Also, oh god.
What?
I think we're going through a type of nettle. Alright.
What does that mean?
It means we're probably going to be itchy later.
Yeah, I already felt the itchiness.
I just felt a little prickliness. Yeah, we're going to be itchy later, but whatever. That's just been this summer, hasn't it?
Yeah, I literally felt the prickliness, and then I was like, oh, that's itchy.
Yeah, no, like, I can kind of feel it already. Ugh. One of those plants where it kind of just makes me feel like I'd rather just deal with poison ivy again. If I'm going to be honest.
At least I know it's not just me.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. When I was like 13, we had a bunch of, I think it was like dead nettle in the backyard. And it was when we like had this kind of wildish area in the backyard. And I went back there. Oh my gosh, that was a huge mistake. That was how I learned about dead nettle. And I definitely had a really bad rash. And it still hurt. It's probably one of those plants that low-key kind of traumatized me. Yeah, I can already kind of feel it on like my knee and on the back of my knee area on my other leg and a little bit on my elbow. I wonder if I still have that calamine. I don't even know if that stuff really works. It's like, I've heard calamine can help with like the sensation of feeling itchy, but it can also like spread the oils on your skin and make the rash worse, which I feel like I kind of noticed that during the summer. Yeah, like what kind of bug? Like a tick?
Maybe.
Here. Maybe we'll get away from the frog. There you go. What a cutie. Hey, handsome sir. Yeah, girly. Look at this dog. Maple. Little misadventure. That was cute. That was actually really cute. Bjork, Bjork. What do you think? Is she gonna jump over this one or is she gonna try and crawl under?
Jump.
There's a perfect little gap. You can do it. You can do it, Maple. Or maybe I'll just walk around. Oh yeah, you did it. And I'll still do it. Heck yeah. The epitome of I'll do it if you do it. Nice. That is cool. It was aliens. There's no way humans could build a structure like this. Oh man, she is enjoying it. You're gonna need a bath once we get home. They're like, how can I make myself as dirty as possible? I mean, I guess she was nice enough to not like roll around in the mud in those streams. I don't think it was. Oh, hey, more rocks. Oh, okay. So, I mean, there's like metal and stuff. Okay, I wonder if this is like starting to be like where some of the houses were in that village. Huh. Kind of looking like it. Oh, there's some more like scrap metal stuffs. That's cool. I probably should have looked into how many houses were like in that village. Dude. Okay. I'm hiking. Walking. Okay. That. You got that? You got pieces.
Yeah, you can see the motor.
Ooh. Yeah, you guys gonna check it out too? You guys don't have your doggy driver's license, sorry. It's a little bit of a fixer-upper. Oh, you know what? At first I just thought it was a car, but I'm pretty sure this actually used to be a truck.
$5 grand.
Yep. $5 grand, I know what I got. Just needs a little bit of work. Great for a mechanic looking for a project.
N96. Yeah, I guess it must have been a truck.
Yeah. The tires are still on it too.
Brand
When your
new
tires are bald, but you're like, you know what, we can make it a little bit longer. Next paycheck.
What are you talking about? These are brand new tires.
That's kind of cool though.
Look at the patina.
Alright. I don't know if it's like illegal to like touch this or whatnot, but
You think? I mean, it's a shot to all
probably
hell.
not. Are you updated on your tetanus shot, sir? I mean, I guess.
I didn't cut myself.
Yeah. Dude, my one friend, when her and her friend were exploring in Michigan, they were like exploring this abandoned place, and I don't know what happened, but she had to get a tetanus shot afterwards. She got cut on something rusted. So, I don't know who needs to hear this, but make sure you're up to date on your tetanus shot. That's so cool, though. Alright.
They don't make them like they used to.
Okay. Well, let's explore a little. Respectfully. Yeah. I like how there's a little bit of trail over there, too. Probably what used to be somebody's home. Or maybe like a little shed or something for animals. That's cool though. It's also a whole lot, not much. Yeah, is this like your guys' new doghouse? It would probably like something similar to this, except something that isn't going to collapse on them. Actually, you know what this reminds me of? Did you ever play with Lincoln Logs as a kid?
Yeah.
This definitely reminds me of Lincoln Logs. All right.
Oh, my knees.
Chestnut's like, come on, you got it. It's not that hard.
He's like, come on, I'm only 2 feet tall. Oh, my knees.
Not even. He's like, what, 6-8 inches off the ground, maybe? Maybe like 2 feet long. Yeah. Him's a hot dog. Nice. I do like the rock structures here, though. Let's go get a... Yeah. Probably sandstone. Looks like it. Nice. Alright. The hike uphill. Oh man, I already know the hike back. We're definitely going to be making a lot of stops, I believe. We're going to get back to the van, and we're probably going to be so tired. We might even just take a nap back there. Oh.
You can hear them.
Yeah, you can hear the water. That's nice. Yeah, they make it look so easy. Okay. Oh, more frogs. Nice.
My cartilage.
I will say though, very pretty. Ugh. I don't know if that's trail, dude. Yeah, it's a big boy.
Oh shit, I didn't even see it.
That one's a chunk compared to the other ones we've seen. Alright. Yeah. Train tracks that we can't cross. Or at least you like can't walk on, but yeah, it's like illegal to cross them. But the Nolichucky. Chestnut, maple, maple. Stay over here. That's cool. Maple. Got that. Ooh, okay. Not getting on them, but definitely getting close. You can kind of see like over there. That's neat. Alright. So we got a little graveyard. That's kind of cool. 1917 to 1918. Oh, that's sad. 1924 to, I think, 1948. Huh. That's just like one way back there. Okay. This is cute. Very quaint. Yeah. Land behind the sign, land survey monument, please not disturb. So anything back there, off limits. That's probably more so just to like make sure people don't like disturb more natural forest area. But yeah. You can kind of see some more debris. There's really not like a whole lot for old buildings to look at. I think it's pretty much like what we saw, but there are a lot of the fire pits. So I'm going to assume that pretty much anywhere you see a fire pit, there probably was a house there at one point. And the grave that, like the little cemetery we were just at, was up there. Yeah. Not too bad though. I'm definitely going to have to look up more history on the place. But I know it wasn't exactly a super populated village. So you got like an old chimney. And it looks like there's like an old box spring. Like, that definitely looks like an old piece of mattress. So this is definitely gotta be where the house was. I mean, there's a chimney right there. Oh, yeah, you can definitely see some more metal from, I'm going to assume, like, roofing. I wonder if, like, the sides of the house were made out of metal, too. I mean, you'd think they probably would have, like, used wood. But that's really neat. Another house. More metal. Yeah, ooh, you guys be careful. I guess I do too. Oh. Nice. Huh. You can like see into that one a bit. And it's like an old barrel. Yeah, it's like really rusted. Okay. Probably the most intact. I wonder if this was the house of the family that left in like 1957, because it doesn't look too bad. Except you can, people. A little bit, probably campsites. All right. Let me get a little peek inside of there, I guess. I don't think I'm going in though. looks like there's like a little propane thing someone brought. Okay. Oh yeah. You can see through the flooring. There's some like boards. Chestnut, don't even think about it. Oh. Looks like they even have a little attic at one point. Okay, that's cool. That's nifty. Let's see what's around here. I don't know if that's like a piece of an engine or what, but like, it's something. Looks like it could have been a piece of a lawnmower. Also doubtful, but who knows. Got some. Another way in. I guess people actually do go in here. Very brave. I'm not bringing home a poltergeist. Nice. Okay.